Yes, people, the springs and spacers are finally here. So, before we open all that up, I'm just going to quickly say thank you for, I think we're on 413 subscribers right now. My hair's a mess, I've just got out of the shower, and yeah, I still stink. But yeah, thank you for over 400 subscribers. My goal is 1,000 by the end of the year. I think we can do that. We're almost halfway. Now, as you can probably tell, if you have eyes and can read, I'm not getting my exhaust done at Cobra anymore. Basically, it's stupid, and I'll get into it when we're actually in the POV on the drive. But essentially, if I had this done to my car, I wouldn't be able to drive it on the road in 6 months. So I'll elaborate on that. But first, I'm going to put you in on top of my noggin, and we'll go through what we've got here from H&R. So we'll see you in a second. Yes, you're on my head, you're on my noggin. Right, so first, I ordered these from R44 Performance. And don't worry guys, this is going to be a POV. I'm just going to quickly walk you through what I'm getting done to my car this weekend. Not by me, because I'm an absolute noob and I have no idea what I'm doing with cars. Right here we have 2 spacers. So these are 15mm spacers. These essentially go onto the wheel in front of the discs, so in front of the brakes. Like, say this, my hand is the brakes, they go there, like that. They might go like that, but I'm pretty sure they go like that. And then your wheel connects onto there instead of the original place. And so with these being 15mm thick, it pushes the wheel out of the arches 15mm. So it gives just a more pronounced look to the car, which makes the car look better and look more aggressive. And to go along with those, obviously they're the same thing, got front and back, both 15mm. I could have got 12mm on the front and 15 on the back for more, you know, like back heavy sort of style, but I thought, nah, let's go for 15 front and back. So here we've got H&R lowering springs. So these are 25mm drop from stock, which is about 1 inch. So like that, ladies. If ladies, it's like that. But so I couldn't tell you. I'm pretty sure these are the front. These are the front springs, and the bigger ones are the back. I could be wrong, and if I am wrong, please, I'm sure someone will let me know. So these, but I'm not going to undo these loads now, but both of these springs, both the back or the front ones, are intertwined. So just for the sake of storage, I'm going to keep them like that. And then I've got obviously the other thinner one in there as well. So they're the lowering springs. They're quite heavy, to be fair, but obviously I suppose they have to be, because, you know, man goes gym and that, but I don't weigh 1,500 kilos. So yeah, these have to be pretty strong to withstand all of that heavy weight. I'm guessing these are for the spacers, because the Bimek, this is the brand, the Bimek, it doesn't say anywhere on there, Bimek spacers. So I'm assuming that's the nut, the 10mm, or the, what's it say there, 43mm. So I'm guessing that's the length of the screws and that. But there's the socket set for this bolt. I think these might be the locking, yeah, wheel lock. So these are different to these ones here, which shout out R44 for the air freshener. My car stinks. I might have to put that on myself. So that's R44. That's where I got this stuff from. And I'm assuming these are different. Yeah, there on the top, these have got a different sort of socket head. So I'm guessing they are probably normal 10mm or 9mm or whatever it says there, screws and stuff. And then this are the ones for the locking, like a locking wheel nut, so no one can just come up and steal your spacers or steal your wheels, sort of thing. So I'm going to put all this stuff back. Once again, shout out R44 Performance. Not sponsored or anything. I wouldn't mind being sponsored by them, but yeah, maybe not with just 400. Let's get it to 1,000 and we can see. But so these should be going onto my car this weekend, and that should transform the look. Please excuse my bed. It's a mess. The whole room is a mess. But yeah, we will catch you in POV mode in 3. Well, you're already on POV mode, but we'll catch you in the car in 3, 2, 1. Yes, people. Now we are in POV mode, as you can see. We're in the car. Don't mind my excessive caffeine addiction. We'll just ignore that. So getting on to the point that I was saying I'd elaborate on in the first clip. Basically, hopefully you can hear me all right. I was getting, originally I paid my deposit and everything, and I'd paid for my, what's it called? For my exhaust, basically, the double res delete, which would essentially get rid of all the silencers in my car and make it a lot louder. It would still probably sound how it does now, just imagine the volume turned right up, you know what I mean? So that was gonna get done on the 12th of July. However, after doing a bit of research, I found out that because this is a PPF car, which is all regulated by emissions and stuff like that, if I was to get my car removed of the filter, it would make the car fail its MOT, essentially making it not road legal. And even though this car is less than 3 years old, it's only got 6 months before it needs its MOT. So do I really want to be paying 600 quid for Cobra to essentially make my car undrivable in the next 6 months? Now, me personally, if I'd got this car and it was a 21 plate, I'd do it, because 500 quid for 3 years of loud exhaust and how I want it to sound, absolutely worth it. But for 6 months, it's and then for me to only to have to get it done again or get a dodgy MOT, and I'm not about that, because restrictions, everything's getting a lot tougher. It's not as simple as it was back in the day to just get some dodgy MOT and then do whatever you want to your car. So I'm now not getting my car done by Cobra, which is a shame, because I really wanted to go down, meet the guys, and film the whole video for it. However, a friend of mine who's got an M140 as well, he had his car done recently, like probably last week, 2 weeks ago. He got a resonator delete and a back box mod. Now this is one, it's not going to be as loud as Cobra, but it will be road legal, so you know, no brainer really. I can drive my car anywhere I want, whenever I want, and I don't have to worry about getting pulled over for dodgy MOTs or anything like that. 2, it's cheaper, but like I say, it won't be as loud. However, according to my friend, for 250 quid, like it's pretty bang on. It might be 200, depends if you let them keep your back box, but we'll have to see. I'm going there, I'm still going on the 12th of July, so it's still only about what, 2 weeks? Yeah, 2 weeks or so before it gets done. So I'm excited for that, and yeah, I will obviously make a video on that. It's getting done by a company called Bath Motorsport, that's in Wakefield. So I've got a decent little drive out there. I've booked in for a Monday, so that'll essentially got a long weekend and then happy days. So with that being said, it's a shame that I'm not going to be getting my car done at Cobra. However, the car's still going to be louder. I'm going to roll the windows down now. And now I am in traction mode, which is ASBO mode essentially. You can hear it. You can hear it popping on the downshifts, and as you lay off. Oh, that sounds nice. That straight 6, 3 litre, disturbing the peace. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. So yeah, so the exhaust will be a lot. It shouldn't be ridiculously loud, but it will be loud enough for me to be, yeah, that's the sweet spot. I think it's going to be the sweet spot essentially, because I think Cobra, especially with a cold start, it might be too loud. So we don't want to be pissing off the neighbours too much, because that's how you end up with a keyed car, and I ain't about to pay a fortune getting my car sorted. Now, that's pretty much all I have to say on this video. Obviously you saw the springs and the spacers, and they'll be getting fitted in 2 days time by someone local. So might film a video of before and after, but I'll definitely show you the car once it's sitting on its arse and it's looking how it should have done from factory. So expect a video in the next coming days. I might be meeting a couple M140i owners on Saturday. Gonna meet them for a little car meet, have a drive down, say what's up, film the cars, film the day. So there's a couple videos on the way. They should be coming soon. So hopefully, make sure you are subscribed for that one, because especially for the lowering video, because that will make for a good before and after. Everyone loves a transformation. And with that being said, I'm going to go transform my fat ass into some shredded ass, if you can call it that. I'm going to go to the gym basically and sort this lockdown dad bod out. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, share it with your friends, share it with your nan, you know, whoever likes cars, whoever don't like cars. And make sure you are subscribed, because we're nearly at 500. I've been doing this YouTube thing for about 2 months now. No, 2 months, get over. About 4 or 5 months now, and we're nearly at 500. So I am looking forward to the day I hit 1,000 and I can bombard you with 1 million adverts. So with that being said, if you did like the video, make sure you like the video. Let me know what you want to see as always, and I will catch you in the next one for hopefully a transformation video of my car turning from an X1 into an M140i, basically not being a 4x4. So we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.